Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Students, the topic we are going to discuss today is cube roots. First, open your booklets at page number 5 so you can understand the topic. Before we start our lesson, let's have a quick review of what is a cube root. A cube root of a number is a special value that when used in multiplication 3 times gives that number. For example, 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So, cube root of 27 is 3. This is the specific symbol we use for cube root, and we write it as cube root of 27 is equal to 3, right? In chapter number 1, we have discussed the cube roots of the positive numbers only. In this chapter, we will discuss the cube roots of the negative numbers too. Now, you can see 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 125. Thus, we can write the cube root of 125 is equal to 5. Similarly, you can see negative 5 cube. You can write it as negative 5 into negative 5 into negative 5. Why? Because its index is 3, so we can write it as a product of negative 5 3 times, and it will be equal to negative 125. And if we will calculate the cube root of negative 125, again we will write 125 as the product of negative 5 3 times. You can use the product symbol or you can write it with the help of the brackets, right? Now, cube root of negative 125 will be equal to negative 5. Now, let's try to understand with the help of the examples solved in your booklet. Negative 3 cube. Negative 3 cube will be equal to negative 3 into negative 3 into negative 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3 is 27. And you all know, if we will multiply 3 negative integers, it will give us a negative result. Now, the cube root of 216, you all know 216 is equal to the product of 6 3 times, 6 into 6 into 6, and we can write this 6 product of 6 3 times as its index notation 6 cube. Cube and cube root both are the opposite operations of each other. They will eliminate each other and we will left with answer 6. Okay. Let's solve other examples. You can see here our question is negative 4 cube. We can write negative 4 cube as the product of negative 4 3 times, right? Now, 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. And you all know that if we will multiply 3 negative integers, it will give us a negative result. So, our answer will be negative 64. Now, we have to calculate the cube root of negative 343. As you know, 7 into 7 into 7 is 343. 7 into 7 is 49. 49 into 7 is 343. So, we can replace, as it's negative 343, so we will use the negative sign. We can replace negative 343 with the product of negative 7 3 times, right? In the next step, we will write negative 7 as its index notation, as it's a negative number, so the brackets are compulsory, right? As I've told you before that cube and cube roots both are the opposite operation of each other, so they will eliminate each other and we will left with negative 7 as our answer, right? Using this procedure, you can calculate the cubes and the cube roots of the numbers given in your booklet, right? Hope you have understand the procedure, and now you can solve the task given in your booklet. Here you can see you have 8 sums to solve. Try to solve the sums at your own. If you face any difficulty, you can leave a comment in the comment section. I'll try to solve your problem. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.